Martin. Thank you. So there are a few species of macaws up here, like the scarlet macaw, this red bird right here, and the Macaw Recovery Network is one of those organizations that I mentioned that the Indianapolis Zoo is supporting. And the Macaw Recovery Network is out in Philadelphia helping those birds with African restoration. So it looks like these birds are pretty eager to get home and see a few making an extra big and let these birds do what they do, and that is to step away and let them fly. That's pretty cool, right?